How to 1. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Add about 1/2 teaspoon oil and 1/4 inch of water to a baking dish. Roast the garlic until it turns tender but is still a bit firm. It should take about 30 minutes for the same. Once it is done, let it cool, and then peel off the cloves. Slice them up thinly and set aside. 3. Add 3 cups of water in a pan and bring to a boil. Put the bread in a heat-proof dish and pour water over it, so that the bread is completely under water. Let the bread stand in the water for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now put the bread in a colander and gently squeeze it to drain out the water. Once you are done, the bread will still be moist but there will be no water dripping from it. 4. Break the bread into small pieces and place it in a bowl. 5. Heat a tablespoon oil in a pan over medium heat till it starts to simmer. Now add the leeks, 2 tablespoons of water and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Let it cook partially and place a lid on top. Keep stirring occasionally until the leeks turn tender, but ensure they do not lose their green color. It should take about 5 to 7 minutes for the leeks to get done. 6. Add the leeks to the bread and add the sliced garlic, 1 1/2 tablespoon oil, thyme, cheese, black pepper and the remaining 1/4 teaspoon salt. Mix everything gently, preferably using your hands. Spread the mix in a baking dish and add the remaining oil on top. 7. Bake it for about 30 minutes or till it turns golden and crisp.